Slide 1. Title: Introducing ChatGPT and the AI Revolution. Start with an attention-grabbing title or heading to pique the audience's interest. Introduce the concept of ChatGPT and its role in the AI revolution for business digital transformation. Highlight the benefits and potential of AI technologies in driving innovation and efficiency in various industries. Content. Definition of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, capable of generating human-like text and engaging in conversational interactions. AI revolution. AI has revolutionized various aspects of business operations, including customer service, data analysis, automation, and decision-making. Impact on digital transformation. AI enables businesses to enhance their processes, improve customer experiences, and gain a competitive edge. Slide 2. Title: Key features and capabilities of ChatGPT. Provide an overview of the key features and capabilities of ChatGPT, highlighting its potential applications in the business context. Discuss the advantages and functionalities that make ChatGPT a valuable tool for digital transformation. Content. Natural language processing. ChatGPT leverages natural language processing techniques to understand and generate human-like text responses. Contextual understanding. ChatGPT maintains context during conversations, enabling more accurate and meaningful interactions. Adaptability and learning. ChatGPT learns from user inputs and adapts to different scenarios, allowing for personalized and tailored responses. Multilingual support. ChatGPT supports multiple languages, enabling businesses to engage with a global customer base. Slide 3. Title: Applications of ChatGPT in customer service. Illustrate how ChatGPT can revolutionize customer service operations and enhance customer experiences. Content. Automated chat support. ChatGPT can provide instant responses to customer queries, reducing response times and improving customer satisfaction. Personalized interactions. ChatGPT can offer tailored recommendations and assistance based on individual customer preferences and needs. 24/7 availability. With ChatGPT, businesses can provide round-the-clock customer support, increasing accessibility for customers. Insert relevant pictures related to customer service or chatbot interactions. Slide 4. Title: Harnessing ChatGPT for data analysis. Showcase the capabilities of ChatGPT in analyzing and extracting insights from vast amounts of data. Content. Data-driven decision-making. ChatGPT can analyze large datasets to identify patterns, trends, and actionable insights, aiding in strategic decision-making. Data processing efficiency. ChatGPT's ability to process and understand complex data structures enables businesses to extract valuable information quickly. Data visualization. ChatGPT can generate visual representations of data, simplifying complex information for better comprehension. Insert relevant pictures related to data analysis or data visualization. Slide 5. Title: Streamlining business operations with ChatGPT. Demonstrate how ChatGPT can automate and streamline various business processes. Content. Task automation. ChatGPT can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for employees to focus on more strategic activities. Workflow optimization. ChatGPT can analyze workflows and suggest improvements, increasing operational efficiency. Virtual assistants. ChatGPT can serve as virtual assistants, providing real-time support and performing tasks such as scheduling appointments and managing calendars. Insert relevant pictures related to business operations or virtual assistants. Slide 6. Title: Enhancing marketing and sales with ChatGPT. Highlight the role of ChatGPT in improving marketing and sales strategies. Content. Personalized marketing campaigns. ChatGPT can generate personalized marketing content and recommendations based on customer preferences and behavior. Lead generation. ChatGPT can qualify leads and provide valuable information to sales teams, increasing conversion rates. Sales support. ChatGPT can assist in Sales processes by answering product-related questions, addressing customer concerns, and offering relevant recommendations. Insert relevant pictures related to marketing or sales. Slide 7. Title, Conclusion and Call to Action. Content. Summarize the key points discussed in the presentation. Emphasize the transformative potential of ChatGPT and AI in driving business digital transformation. Encourage the audience to explore and integrate AI technologies, such as ChatGPT, into their organizations to stay competitive in the digital age. Insert relevant pictures representing digital transformation or futuristic technology. Note: remember to choose visuals that are relevant and support the content of each slide. Additionally, feel free to adjust and customize the content to suit your specific requirements and audience.